This is Belfast in Northern Ireland and it's lift tour time. Now to the first lift, which is the awesome 70s Evans lift in BHS. Now along we go into Castle Shopping Centre and into the first lift, which is the Fish and Crop MRL. And along we go to the next lift, which is a crap hydraulic lift.
Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening.
And now along we go to a nice eco-disc.
Doors closed. Hospital. Doors open.
And now along we go to the next lift, which is a nice old Adair Brothers lift, but sadly it's been horribly modernised. And now let me go into the university and along to the first lift, which is a nice glass eco-disc. And now go along to the next lift, which is another eco-disc. And now along we go to this big eco-disc. Let's unlock it and let's ride it. now along to the next lift in the other university building, which is another nice eco-disc. And now along we go to a car park, and along to the only lift I managed to surf in Belfast. And the reason why I only managed to surf one lift, because everyone here noticed everything you're doing. Security in Belfast are so strict. I mean, every single place I went in, security immediately noticed. As soon as I tried to do any lift tampering, everyone notices here. It's ridiculous. Everyone in Belfast is so suspicious of everyone. It's just crazy. I only managed to surf this one lift, and as soon as I went on top of this lift, the security in this car park immediately noticed that a lift went out of service. I was walking upstairs and going on every floor to try and work out why the lift had gone out of service, and I almost got caught. And now along we go to the next lift, which is a nice gated lift, and sadly it wasn't working. And now along we go to this awesome 1970s Otis with capacitive buttons. Yes, this lift is just so awesome.